How to check the balance of GoGift gift card. First of all, open your favorite web browser and go to gogift.com. Once the homepage loads, locate and click on the Redeem Gift Card button at the top right corner of the page. On the redemption page, start by selecting your country from the drop-down menu. Next, enter your gift card code or redemption code that you received via email when you got the gift card. Then enter the PIN code if it is required. After filling in all the details, click on the Continue button. If the information is correct, the website will display your gift card details including the remaining balance and any other important information about your card. You can now use this balance for shopping online or save it for future purchases. Remember to check the expiry date and terms of use to make sure your card is still valid. Now you know how to check the balance of a GoGift gift card easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more online shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.